What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Thank you for upgrading to trying out the most advanced computer mapping product in the Pitney Bowes Inc. software family. As the field of computer mapping continues to expand, Pitney Bowes Inc. leads the way with new products that are designed to fulfill your computer mapping needs from the most basic to the most specialized. This is a list of the most important features and enhancements scheduled to be released with Mapinfo Pro 17.0.2. Customer Experience Improvement Program, the Welcome Window, New Sample Workspace, Quick Search Tool, Geocode Tool, Layout Templates, Drive Time Regions Tool, Layout Smart Text, Mapinfo Data Access Library, Mini Toolbar for Layout Window, Layout and Mapper Mini Toolbar Customization, Ribbon Customization, Mapinfo Map Cad Update, Feature Manipulation Engine, FME, upgraded to version 2018, new coordinate systems and projections. Customer Experience Improvement Program. We have created a Customer Experience Improvement Program, the EIP, in order to collect information about how our users and customers use our products, problems they may encounter while using the products, and features and functions most often used by our customers. This allows us to provide thoughtful, continuous improvement to ensure that we offer our customers the best user experience available. For details, see Customer Experience Improvement Program. The Welcome Window. The Welcome Window is an informative and functional page that appears when you start Mapinfo Pro. It provides you a quick access to recently used tables and workspaces and the possibility to open new ones. For more, see the Welcome Window. New Sample Workspace. A sample workspace containing Street Pro, POI, parcel and elevation data for Washington, D.C. area is now available by default when you install Mapinfo Pro to help you start sampling and testing the beta. Other sample datasets will also be available for download in the future. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Quick Search Tool. You can use Quick Search to quickly search and execute commands on the Mapinfo Pro ribbon. These commands might be grouped or nested under different tabs. Sub-menus are backstage items, but the Quick Search tool displays a list of all relevant commands as you type your query in the search box. For more information, see Quick Search tool. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Geocode tool. Geocode is a Mapinfo Pro tool that is loaded by default when you install Mapinfo Pro. This tool replaces the older geocode using server utility. Using this tool, you can assign geographic coordinates to your data, which can be street addresses. Point values assigned to each address turn each record into a geographic object that Mapinfo Pro can display on a map. Visualizing your records on a map can make the relationships among your data clearer. You can display your geocoded records against a street map, a postal code centroid map, a county map, or whatever is most appropriate to your needs. You can then use the wide variety of functions available in Mapinfo Pro mapping software to perform querying, create thematic maps, create territories, and perform many other types of geographic analysis. Mapinfo Pro accomplishes this by connecting to Spectrum Spatial Server, Pitney Bowes LI APIs. You can load or unload the Geocode tool from the Tool Extensions drop-down list under the Tools group on the Home tab. Note: the older geocode using server utility is visible only when the Geocode tool is not loaded. When loaded, the Geocode tool takes precedence and replaces the older version. How do I access the Geocode tool? There must be an open table for this command to work. On the Spatial tab, in the Create group, on the Geocode list, click Geocode using Server from the list. For details, see Geocoding a table using a Geocode tool. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Layout templates. A layout template is a user-defined format that contains a layout window with required placeholders for maps, browsers, etc. in a specific arrangement for presentation. You can choose from a list of pre-built templates provided as part of Mapinfo Pro or create and define your own and automate the filling on contents within it. Layout templates are made up of empty frames that get filled in with contents of other windows such as maps or browsers, static content, text, shapes, images, etc., and dynamic text such as date, path, etc. They are portable and can be used in any environment in which Mapinfo Pro operates and with any Mapinfo products. For details, see Layout Templates parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? DriveTime Regions tool. DriveTime Regions is a Mapinfo Pro tool that is loaded by default when you install Mapinfo Pro. This tool replaces the older DriveTime Regions table utility that used an Invinsa 4.0 server. Using this tool, you can access a driving regions server to create time-based and distance-based buffers for the selected table entries. Mapinfo Pro accomplishes this by connecting to Spectrum Spatial Server, Pitney Bowes LI APIs. You can load or unload the DriveTime Regions tool from the Tool Extensions drop-down list under the Tools group on the Home tab. Note: the older DriveTime Regions table utility is visible only when the DriveTime Regions tool is not loaded. When loaded, the DriveTime Regions tool takes precedence and replaces the older version. How do I access the Drive Regions command? There must be an open table for this command to work. On the Spatial tab, in the Create group, on the Regions list, click Drive Regions from the list. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Layout Smart Text. Layout Smart Text is an enhancement to text frames in the Layout Designer. Previously, you could only add static text to text frames in the Layout Designer. Smart Text provides the ability to embed dynamic values that can change based on the context. For example, you may wish to include the current date or the layout page number as text in a layout. Smart Text uses map basic expressions to accomplish this. For details, see Layout Smart Text. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Mapinfo Data Access Library. The Mapinfo Data Access Library, MDAL, is a set of classes and interfaces that allows .NET developers to create Mapinfo Pro add-ins that can easily create, search, and update Mapinfo tables and other supported database formats such as Oracle, SQL Server, GeoPackage. The library is based on a subset of the Mapinfo Map Xtreme SDK product, mainly the data access functionality. Currently, the Mapinfo Data Access Library is only available for use with Mapinfo Pro add-ins. Fully capable data access object model. Create Mapinfo tables. Insert, update, delete, select, join multiple tables, search using a well-thought-out API. Full MySQL support. Note that there are differences from map basic syntax. Complete Geometry Object Model supports efficient reading, creation and editing of all Mapinfo geometry types, including text objects. Also supports conversion to and from well-known binary, well-known text and GeoJSON formats. Full coordinate system support. ThreadSafe can be used to create background tasks in Mapinfo Pro or run processing on secondary threads. Supports most Pro data formats. Note: not all formats are supported. For example, no spatial support for PostGIS. Mapinfo Pro style transactions on Mapinfo and Mapinfo extended tables. This allows for background threads to edit tables open in Mapinfo Pro and let the end user decide to commit or revert the changes. Documentation. API Reference Guide, User Guide, MySQL Reference. For more details, refer to the Mapinfo Data Access Library section of the Mapinfo Pro Extensibility Reference Guide. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Mini Toolbar for Layout Window. You can use the Mini Toolbar on the Layout window for quick access to often used actions. Tasks like select, pan, zoom in, zoom out, alignment and many more are directly available on the Layout window when you right-click inside, above or below the context menu depending on where you click in the window. For available options, see Mini Toolbar for Layout Window. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Layout and Mapper Mini Toolbar Customization. The Layout and Mapper Mini Toolbars can be customized to suit your needs and work style. Commands can be added to and removed from the toolbars. To customize a toolbar, right-click on the ribbon and choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar to open the Customize Ribbon dialog box. This dialog is also available from the Customize Quick Access Toolbar menu, in the upper left corner of the desktop, by choosing More Commands. Highlight Map Toolbar or Layout Toolbar in the left pane to access the customizable settings. In the left pane, highlight a command and click the Add button. To remove a command from a custom tab or group, click the Remove button. To organize the commands within a tab or group, uses the up and down arrows. You can also reorder any of the tabs, including the standard ones. Click OK to save your changes. You can also create toolbar customizations for added ease of use. This would allow you to have a different selection of commands on the toolbar for every customization. To create a new customization, customize a toolbar as per your requirement. Enter a name in the customization name text box. Click on the plus icon above the customization name text box to add and save the customization. Use the save and delete icons to save updates to or delete a customization. The Map Mini Toolbar name is visible in the status bar when a map window is active. It will either be default or the name of a customized Mini Toolbar, whichever is active. In addition, you can switch between your Map Mini Toolbars by pressing the space key. It will switch to the next Mini Toolbar and change the name on the status bar to reflect that. If you click on the Mini Toolbar name text or the arrow next to it, a menu of the available Map Mini Toolbars is shown with the current one highlighted. You can make one of the Mini Toolbars current by clicking on its name. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Ribbon customization. The Mapinfo Pro ribbon can be customized to suit your needs and work style. For example, create custom tabs and custom groups to hold frequently used commands. Rearrange tabs and groups to put commands where you want them. Minimize the ribbon to enlarge your work area. To know how to customize the Mapinfo Pro ribbon, see Customizing the ribbon. Parent topic. What's new in Mapinfo Pro? Copyright 2018 Pitney Bowes Software. Mapinfo Map Cad update. New version 10.0 of Map Cad. The Mapinfo Map Cad tool is registered and autoloaded when Mapinfo Pro starts up. To load Map Cad, go to the Tool Extensions on Home tab. Click on Registered tab, then double-click on Map Cad entry in List of Tools to launch. Map Cad provides tools that work with Mapinfo Pro to create maps that are appropriate for land development and surveying tasks. This update was for continued compatibility with Mapinfo Pro and includes no new functionality. The Mapinfo Map Cad is a tool that installs under a subfolder called Map Cad. You can turn off Map Cad if you do not want to see these commands. To do this, on the Home tab, in the Tool Windows group, click Tool Extensions. On the Running tab, click the arrow beside the name Map Cad to display an option to unregister this tool. The manufacturer provides a full help system to assist you in using this product. You can access this help from Mapinfo Map Cad or on Mapinfo Pro's backstage by selecting the Pro tab, clicking Add-ins, and then clicking Help under Mapinfo Map Cad. For support, contact Mapinfo Map Cad Incorporated directly. Their website is http://www.geoas.de. Parent topic: What's new in Mapinfo Pro? New coordinate systems and projections. There are new datums in this version. Geocentric datum of Australia, GDA 2020 datum, #1028 for a detailed list of enhancements. See Coordinate System Enhancements by version. For datum details, see 7 or 8 parameter datums. Parent topic: What's new in Mapinfo Pro?